All right, BJP National President JP Nadda attended the meeting of the Delhi BJP Election Management Committee. The committee aimed to review Delhi election preparedness ahead of the polls. Around 30 to 32 committees formed or have been formed to oversee various aspects of Delhi elections such as booth management, social media and advertisements. Mahima Kataria, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to talk more about this. Mahima, it's an important election for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Considering the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party has run into a multitude of problems over the last few months, including the resurgence and recurrence of pollution-related problems and illnesses in the city, this is an absolute golden moment for the Bharatiya Janata Party to seize the elections.
Well, rightly said, Vineet, as the dates for the assembly elections in Delhi are nearing, Bharatiya Janata Party President JP Nadda today chaired a meeting with the party workers at the Delhi BJP office, that is the state office in the national capital. The Saffron Party, Vineet, has so far announced its candidate on 29 of the 70 assembly seats, and the Bharatiya Janata Party, which seems to be on a sticky wicket, Vineet, in Delhi, ahead of the assembly election, is likely to announce the remaining 41 candidates this weekend for the upcoming polls. Moreover, the Bharatiya Janata Party is yet to share its manifesto. So we'll have to wait and watch also to look into the manifesto of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The party's manifesto for Delhi polls, Vineet, has almost been prepared and will soon be sent to the national leadership for the approval. And the manifesto is likely to be announced in the next few days. The ruling, as we all know, that the ruling Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress has already announced the 4 promises, including monthly allowance for women. And Congress earlier in the day promised rupees 25 lakh health insurance scheme if voted to power in Delhi. Also, if we talk about the BJP is though gearing up to contest the election, and JP Nadda is taking a meeting that is underway in the state party office in the national capital, where JP Nadda is expected to offer guidance on the way forward. In the first half of the meeting, Vineet, JP Nadda met with Delhi BJP core group members, followed by a meeting with the Delhi BJP election management committees. And the Delhi BJP election management committees, like you also correctly pointed out, regularly convene at the intervals with BJP chief Viren Sachdeva, leading the review meetings with the Delhi polls approaching. Also, JP Nadda will review the progress and share the success mantra with the members. But what is important here, we need when it comes to the Delhi election, because it's a neck-to-neck fight, be it the Bharatiya Janata Party, it seems to be a permutation here, because we have the Congress Party here, we have Aam Aadmi Party here, and also the Bharatiya Janata Party gearing up, because tomorrow it's a crucial day as well for the Bharatiya Janata Party, because after announcing the 29 candidates, the 41 left candidates will be discussed with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because tomorrow is the Central Election Committee meeting of the Bharatiya Janata Party. But ahead of the crucial 2025 assembly elections, Vineet, in the national capital, a war of words has erupted between the ruling Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party over several issues, like the issues you have correctly pointed out, be it with the pollution, be it with the Sheesh Mahal. But today also, JP Nadda is expected to visit the Sheesh Mahal model that has been created by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the party president himself is going to visit that particular Sheesh Mahal model today that has been created by the party in the national capital. So there are certain issues, but amongst those issues, the majorly important issue for the Bharatiya Janata Party was the illegal immigrants in the national capital. Also, not forgetting that how Bharatiya Janata Party has, the Saffron Party has accused the Aam Aadmi Party of using the illegal Bangladeshi immigrants and Rohingyas as a voter base and granting them shelter for the electoral gains. On the other hand, Arvind Kejriwal-led party has also stated or alleged the Bharatiya Janata Party of deletion of the names from the voters list. So we'll have to wait and watch that what will be the outcome of the meeting, because as tomorrow is also a crucial day for the Bharatiya Janata Party, because the BJP will have the Central Election Committee meeting with the Prime Minister, and the rest of the names, that is the 41 candidates, will be discussed. Though the 29 candidates that have been listed by the BJP for different seats, we have Parvez Verma against Arvind Kejriwal, we have Ramesh Biduri against Atishi. So we'll have to wait and watch that what new names will come in the remaining 41 list that is to be released by the weekend by Bharatiya Janata Party. Winning.
Mahima, I appreciate you joining us. Thank you for that.